Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Today we will start a new chapter, relations and functions. Okay. In earlier chapter sets, we discussed what is a set and different types of sets and different operations on sets. Okay. Now in this chapter, relation, first of all, we will discuss what is ordered pair. Next, Cartesian product of sets. Okay. After that, we will discuss what is a relation, and finally we will discuss what is a function. Okay. Now, first of all, we will discuss some basic definitions of relations and functions. Okay. First thing, what is an ordered pair? What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair consists of two objects or two elements in a given fixed order. In a given fixed order. Okay. Ordered pair consists of two elements in a given fixed order. Okay. For example, if A and B are any two sets, then by ordered pair of elements we mean a pair A comma B in that order, where A is an element of set A, B is an element of set B. Okay. Now, first of all, what is an ordered pair? Ordered pair consists of two elements in a given fixed order. Okay. That is, if A is an element of set A, B is an element of set B, then A comma B, this is ordered pair A comma B. Okay. Ordered pair A comma B, where A is an element of set A, B is an element of set B. Okay. Now, ordered pair is not a set. Ordered pair is not a set. Okay. An ordered pair is not a set consisting of two elements. Okay. This is not a set. Okay. Ordered pair is representation. Okay. A comma B, where A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B. Okay. Ordered pair is not a set, consists of two elements. Okay. Ordering of the elements in the ordered pair is important. Okay. Ordering of two elements in the ordered pair is important, and the two elements need not be distinct. Means you can have 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 like that also. Okay. What you have to remember, ordered pair is not a set consisting of two elements, that is one thing. The ordering of two elements in ordered pair is important, and two elements need not be distinct. Okay. Now, if you remember coordinate geometry in 9th and 10th standard, okay. Now, we represent points in a Cartesian plane. Points in a Cartesian plane, something like this 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. All these points are ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Okay. Now, position of a point in a two-dimensional plane in Cartesian coordinate system represented by an ordered pair. Okay. The position of a point in two-dimensional plane in Cartesian coordinate system is represented by an ordered pair. Okay. Now, example given 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 represents different points in a plane. Okay. Next, equality of ordered pairs. Now, two ordered pairs A1 B1 and A2 B2 are equal if and only if first element of first set is equal to first element of second set, and second element of first set is equal to second element of second set. Now, two ordered pairs are equal if first element of first ordered pair is equal to first element of second ordered pair. Okay? Second element of first ordered pair is equal to second element of second ordered pair. Okay? A1 equal to A2 and B1 equal to B2, then two ordered pairs are equal. Okay? I will repeat once again, equality of ordered pairs. Two ordered pairs A1 B1 and A2 B2 are equal if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 equal to B2. Okay? Now we will discuss one example. Okay, couple of examples we will discuss here. First example, if ordered pair x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1. Find the value of x and y. Okay, what is the ordered pair given here? X plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1. This ordered pair is equal to this ordered pair. We have to find x and y value. Okay, these two ordered pairs are equal. What is it meaning? First element of first ordered pair is equal to first element of second ordered pair. So x plus 1 is equal to 3 and second element of first ordered pair is equal to second element of second ordered pair, that is y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So what we have, x plus 1 is equal to 3 means x is equal to 2, y minus 2 is equal to 1 means y is equal to 3. So what is x value and y value? X value is 2, y value is 3. Simply by putting x plus 1 is equal to 3, we get x value as 2, y minus 2 is equal to 1, y value as 3. Okay. Second example, find the value of a and b if 3a minus 2 comma b plus 3, ordered pair 3a minus 2 comma b plus 3 is equal to ordered pair 2a minus 1 comma 3. Means first element of first ordered pair is equal to first element of second ordered pair. As these two ordered pairs are equal, 3a minus 2 is equal to 2a minus 1. And one more condition, b plus 3 is equal to 3. So 3a minus 2 is equal to 2a minus 1. So from here, what we can write? 2a this side and 2 this side, 2 minus 1, 1. 3a minus 2a is 1. So a value is how much? 1. Next, second element of first ordered pair is equal to second element of second ordered pair. So b plus 3 is equal to 3. So b value how much? 0. So what we got? A value as 1 and b value as 0. Okay. Next, after equality of ordered pairs, next point, next important concept is Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets, A and B be two non-empty sets, then set of all ordered pairs A comma B, set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B is called Cartesian product of the sets A and B, and it is denoted by A cross B. Okay. I will repeat once again, A and B be any two non-empty sets, set of all ordered pairs A comma B, set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B is called the Cartesian product of sets A and B and is denoted by A cross B. Cartesian product of sets A and B is A cross B and is given by A cross B is equal to ordered pair A comma B where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Okay. Now B cross A, how you will define? If you want to write B cross A is equal to ordered pair B comma A, B belongs to B and A belongs to A. Okay. Now if A is an empty set or B is an empty set, if any one of them is empty set, then A cross B is a empty set or null set. Okay. What is Cartesian product of sets? A and B be two non-empty sets, then set of all ordered pairs, set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of sets A and B and is denoted by A cross B. So A cross B is equal to what? Ordered pair A comma B where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Okay. If A is a null set or B is a null set, then A cross B is a null set. Okay. Next, example 3. If A is a set A containing the elements 2, 4, 6 and set B contains the elements 1, 2, then find A cross B and B cross A. Okay. A cross B, what is set A? Set containing the elements 2, 4, 6. What is B? Set containing the elements 1, 2. A cross B contains all ordered pairs A comma B where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So how we will write ordered pairs is this to this one, 2, 1. Okay. Next 2, 2, 2, 2. Next with 4, with respect to 4 we will write 4, 1, ordered pair 4, 1, ordered pair 4, 2. Okay. Ordered pair 6, 1, ordered pair 6, 2. Okay. Next B cross A, how you will write B? What is B? Set B containing the elements 1, 2, A containing the elements 2, 4, 6. Okay. So B cross A, how you will write? Ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, comma. Next with respect to 2 we will write 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Okay. Now if you observe here, A cross B and B cross A both are not equal. In general, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So what is A given here? A is given set containing 2, 4, 6. B is a set containing 1, 2. Okay. How we will write A cross B? Okay. A cross B I will write first 2, 1. Ordered pair 2, 1. Ordered pair 2, 2. Next 4, 1, 4, 2. Next ordered pair 6, 1. 6, 2. This is A cross B. Next B cross A. B cross A, what it is? B is set containing 1, 2 and A is set containing 2, 4, 6. So what we will write B cross A as set containing 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6. So with respect to 1 we wrote everything. Okay, every order pair. Next with respect to 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. So B cross A, set B cross A contains the elements 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Now to write A cross B, what we will do is first we take an element from set A and form all ordered pairs with this element as first element and elements of B as second elements. Okay. What we will do? Now for example, if you observe here in example 4, A is a set containing A comma B, B is a set containing 1, 2, 3. Okay. To find A cross B, A cross B, A is A comma B and B is 1, 2, 3. So to write A cross B, first we take one element from set A and we will write all ordered pairs with the elements of set B, taking A as first element and 1 as second element, A comma 1. Next A as first element, 2 as second element, A comma 2, A as first element and 3 as second element, A comma 3. Next what we will do? We will take next element from set A, okay, as first element of the ordered pair and elements of B as second elements of the ordered pair, B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3. This process will continue till all the elements from set A are exhausted. All the elements in the set A are exhausted. Okay, that is what it is written here. To write A cross B, we take an element from set A and form all ordered pairs with this element as first element and elements of B as second elements. Okay, if you observe here, first what we are taking? We are taking A, okay, now as the first element of the ordered pair and second element of the ordered pairs as elements of B. So A comma 1 ordered pair, A comma 2 1 ordered pair, A comma 3 1 ordered pair. Okay. Next we choose another element from set A and corresponding elements in set B. Okay, we form ordered pairs with first element as B and second element as elements of set B. So what will get? Ordered pair B comma 1, ordered pair B comma 2, ordered pair B comma 3. Okay, but this process will continue till all the elements of set A are exhausted. Till all the elements of set A are exhausted. Okay, now we will discuss this with an example. So here A is given as set A containing the elements A comma B, set B containing the elements 1, 2, 3. Now we have to find A cross B, B cross A cross A, B cross B and A cross B intersection B cross A. Okay. Now to find out A cross B, I will write ordered pairs A comma 1, ordered pair A comma 2, ordered pair A comma 3. So with A completed, next with the element B, ordered pair B comma 1, ordered pair B comma 2, ordered pair B comma 3. So with B also completed, all elements of A are exhausted. So this is A cross B. So A cross B contain the ordered pair A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Next B cross A. B cross A, first will write elements of B, first will take elements of B, then will take elements of A. Okay. So ordered pair 1 comma A, ordered pair 1 comma B. Next with the element 2, ordered pair 2 comma 1, ordered pair 2 comma B, ordered pair 2 comma A, ordered pair 2 comma B. Next with the element 3, ordered pair 3 comma A, ordered pair 3 comma B. Okay, this is B cross A. Next question, A cross A. A cross A means A contain the element, set A containing the element A comma A, set B containing the elements A comma A. So what will get? Ordered pair A comma A, ordered pair A comma B, next ordered pair B comma A, ordered pair B comma B. Okay. Next B cross B. So what is the set B? Set B containing the elements 1, 2, 3. So B cross B contains the ordered pairs. First will write with respect to 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Next with respect to the element 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Next with respect to the element 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Okay, this is B cross B. Now if you observe, one more question is there, that is A cross B intersection B cross A. Now if you observe A cross B and B cross A cross B and B cross A, now what we told, in general A cross B and B cross A are not equal. Okay, in general there won't be any common elements. So here A cross B and B cross A are not having any common elements, no common elements. Okay, here in A cross B we have A and B as first elements. In B cross A first elements are 1, 2, 3. So these two are not equal. They don't have any common element. So their intersection part is empty set, null set. Clearly A cross B intersection B cross A is empty set. Okay. Next example, set P containing the elements A, B, C, set Q containing the element R. Form the sets P cross Q and Q cross P. Okay. So P cross Q, what will get? It is a set containing the ordered pairs A comma R. Next ordered pair B comma R, ordered pair C comma R. This is P cross Q. Q cross P, R comma A, ordered pair R comma A, ordered pair R comma B, ordered pair R comma C. Okay, P cross Q and Q cross P. Next question, set contain A be the set containing 1, 2, 3, B be the set containing 3 comma 4, C be the set containing 4, 5, 6. So you have to find how to find A cross B intersection C. Second question, A cross B intersection A cross C. Third question, A cross B union C. Fourth question, A cross B union A cross C. Okay. Now what is set A? Set A containing the elements 1, 2, 3. Set B containing the elements 3, 4. Set C containing the elements 4, 5, 6. So first of all, for the first question, B intersection C I will find. What are the common elements among B and C? 4. So B intersection C is what? Element 4. Okay. So A cross B intersection C. So this one cross product with this one, what we get? A cross B intersection C equal to ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 2, 4, ordered pair 3, 4. Okay. So A cross B intersection C contains the elements ordered pair 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay. That is first question. Second question, what it is? A cross B intersection A cross C. So first of all I will find A cross B, then I will find A cross C, then I will find intersection of these two. Intersection of these two. So first of all A cross B. A cross B, what we will get here? A containing the elements 1, 2, 3, B containing the elements 3, 4. So A cross B contains the ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, this is A cross B. This is A cross B. Next, A cross C. A containing the element, A is a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, C is a set containing the elements 4, 5, 6. So A cross C contains the element 1, 4, ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 1, 5, ordered pair 1, 6, comma, ordered pair 2, 4, ordered pair 2, 5, ordered pair 2, 6. Ordered pair 3, 4, ordered pair 3, 5, ordered pair 3, 6. Okay, this is A cross C. Next, intersection of these two. Intersection of A cross B and A cross C. What are the common elements among these two sets? Ordered pair 1, 4 common, ordered pair 2, 4 common, ordered pair 3, 4 common. So A cross B intersection A cross C contains the ordered pairs 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay. Now if you observe A cross B intersection C and A cross B intersection A cross C, these two are same. Okay, this set and this set containing the same elements, no? So from 1 and 2 what we can conclude? A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. From 1 and 2 we can conclude that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. Now first of all in this problem we found A cross B, next A cross C, their intersection. Okay. From 1 and 2 we have A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection with A cross C. Okay. Next, third one A cross B union C we have to find. A cross B union C. First of all we will find B union C. B union C. B union C. B contains the elements 3, 4. Set containing the element 3, 4. C contains the set containing the element 4, 5, 6. Their union is a set containing 3, 4, 5, 6. B union C equal to set containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now A cross B union C. A cross B union C means what is A? 1, 2, 3. Now cross product with 3, 4, 5, 6 means 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next with 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next with 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay, this is A cross B union C. A cross B union C. Okay, to find out A cross B union C, first of all we will find B union C. So B is a set containing the element 3, 4. C is a set containing the element 4, 5, 6. So their union B union C is a set containing the element 3, 4, 5, 6. Now A cross with B union C. So A is a set containing 1, 2, 3. So what we get? 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 ordered pairs. Next, ordered pairs 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next, ordered pairs 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay. Next, fourth one, A cross B union with A cross C. First, I'll find A cross B. Next, I'll find A cross C, and I'll take union of these two sets. I think already we found, in second question we found A cross B and A cross C. Now their union, it contains the elements A cross B union A cross C, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4 already, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 ordered pairs, and ordered pair 3, 3, 3, 4, ordered pair 3, 5, 3, 6. Already in second question we found A cross B and A cross C union, we have to take union of these two sets is set containing the ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, okay, ordered pair 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, ordered pair 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Now if you observe from 3 and 4, A cross B union C and A cross B union A cross C, these two sets, if you observe here 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, ordered pair 3, 6, ordered pair 3, 6. So these two are equal. So from 3 and 4 what we can conclude? A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross